One of the questions I get most frequently asked is how I made this beautiful tower of pots. And I don't even want to really spend too much time on this because it's so simple. This is just a piece of rebar like you'd use in concrete construction. And this is a pot with a hole in it. And so I just took the pot and put the hole through the rebar, and I just did that several times with different sized pots, and ta-da, then you have a pot tower. I used a concrete base. I like put this in quick dry concrete, but that's not even really necessary because once you get all the pots on here with their plant and their dirt, they're so heavy that it's not going anywhere. I didn't think of this, and it's super easy, so I don't want to I'm taking almost no credit for this. Since we are a nursery and we do grow things, my hope is that not too many people click on this expecting me to talk about a different type of pot tower or wait till you get to my video on weed control. That might not be what you're looking for either. Hold on, a quick update. Here by the end of the summer, you can see that thanks to the potato vine, I only planted one, my pot tower is kind of turned into like a cousin it of plants. And who doesn't want that, right? No, I think it's kind of fun.